Hello everyone, my name is Savion Noble, and here today we're going to be looking at my ePorfolio. Right here is the home page. Nothing too in depth about me, but this is just a little something to tell you that we're going to be talking about me and the technology tools that we use in everyday life to help with school and being organized. But right here is a little picture of my immediate family. This is my dad right here, my stepmom, my stepsister, and my grandma, which I love the most. But nothing much there, it's just a picture. The next page is about me. Now, it's just a little brief summary about my life, nothing too crazy, but here we go. My name is Savion Noble, and I'm a sophomore at Ohio State University, and my major is marketing with a minor in real estate. I was born in Columbus, Ohio, but I currently live in Elyria, Ohio, which is about 40 minutes west from Cleveland. More like 45 minutes though. When I grow up, I want to be able to work at a firm and also be a real estate major. Sooner or later, I want to do commercial real estate and own properties. My family is the most important people in my life, especially the ones in this picture. I come from a big family, and I have family all over the United States. This is most of my family that I see all the time, the ones I'm really close with. But I have a huge family, anywhere from Atlanta to Kentucky to California, etc. I got family all over the place. These are my little three cousins. My grandma, my dad, as I said earlier, along with my stepmom and stepsister, my grandpa, and my auntie and my uncle. But that's about it. It's just a little brief detail about me. Next page, about the learning technologies. It took me a while to choose three, but these three were the ones that caught my attention the most. There was a lot of technologies, but these three were probably the best ones in my opinion. Now we're starting off with Trello. Trello is an app that helps with online project management. Three advantages of this app is that it's mobile friendly, the pricing is short and simple, and lastly, it has clean notifications. But also, it has three disadvantages. One being that storage is limited and you don't have much to work with space-wise. Two, it will not work if you don't have Wi-Fi. And lastly, it's tough to use for big projects, especially ones that are worth a lot of points. Now, I couldn't find a picture for Schedule Planner. It was kind of hard, but you get the idea of Schedule Planner. But Schedule Planner is also an app to help plan days to weeks out in advance. Three advantages of this app is one, it's mobile friendly. Two, it helps keep everything neat and color coding, which I think is the best feature. And it also can help with organizing whatsoever. Some of the disadvantages of this is that Wi-Fi is the only way this app will work. It's also good on internet source, but also if you don't have your notifications on, you will miss something that could be important. And lastly, it's limited on space. And the last but not least, Sticky Notes. Sticky Notes is an app that is installed on your laptop. Three advantages of this app is one, it's on your laptop, so every time you open your laptop, the sticky notes will be there. It's very easy to organize and set up. It's less of a hassle to write also. Three disadvantages of this is you have very limited privacy. Also, if you lose your laptop, you will more likely lose your notes. And lastly, its word count is very, very limited. And the last page is a summary page. To sum it all up, number one, Trello is probably my favorite and most used app. It helps me be all organized with all my assignments. And I can be neat also. I was struggling on how to use this app at first, but the resource that was given to me has helped me and guided me through this process. Number two, learning how to create an ePorfolio site was probably the most interesting thing that I learned how to do this semester. Now I can utilize my tactics and be able to create sites and pages in the future if needed. Number three, last but not least, what I really liked about this class is that I could see different people's perspectives and opinions on different types of technology tools we use, different study tactics, and how people utilize their time given. It made me realize how different and similar people are when it comes to studying for a test or planning out work for the week. And there you go, that's my ePorfolio. I hope you had a nice time looking at it and enjoy your night. Thank you.